Has it happened that you have to define functionality in several models at the same time? Stay, because I will tell you how to solve it very simple using Odoo mixin. Mixin are the possibility that Odoo offers to reuse code. They are asset models, useful, modifier, and methods with common functionality for add models in all systems. For example, my thread adding the chat and the followers to documents, or portal mixin to define common functionality. In this video, we will create a mixin to define validation and reuse a very simple way. Let's go to create the mixin. First, we need to define the model. To define the model validation mixin. In this case, we need the name is validation mixin. Is the way to create a model. Yes, add to Git, and this model will be abstract model, and the name is validation mixin. You can set the name wherever you want. The first is to find the mixin. In description, this is the description to use the mixin. It's the helpful message for the developers. Now, and descriptive message. First, we need to define a allowed group. In this case, we will implement mixin validation. Restriction for X mode. For example, in this case, we need to define allowed groups. Allowed groups will be the group allowed to edit the record using import validation. And now in the write method, if the user don't has a lower group, write validation error. This is the mixin implementation. Now we need to add in the mixin to the first. In this case, we will use sale.order. Let's go. Let me change the name, underscore in the name. Validation mixin. Yes. Import. What happened? Sorry, the name. Now, yeah. How do you say? Sale.order. In this case, we will use the validation mixin to add restriction to edit sale order. How? In the validation meeting, define a allowed group. In this case, it's empty, and in the model sale order, we add the allowed group to edit the sale order. First, we need to define inherit sale order and validation mixin, and description is not necessary. Allowed group is the feature for this model that implement the validation mixin. We need to define allowed groups because we are using validation mixin, and validation mixin has the allowed group feature. Let's go. Let me check what is the name. In this case, the group is defined in sale.team, and the name is group sale order. If the user don't have sale order administration, the user can't edit sale order. Let's go to check. Let me take the model. Oh, sorry, it's is not this model. This model is custom mixing. Everything okay. Let's go to config the user. This case, admin is a simple user. This with the user you can't edit. You can create, but you can't edit. Let's go. Then let me edit. The register is created. Let me check what happened. Yes. Sale order, allow a group. Sorry, what do me? Now, yes, it's a problem. It's defined it right method. This user can edit. Whatever you want to do, this user can't, because hasn't a group sale administration on sale module. Let me change users, admin, now admin, and now this user can edit sale order model. Let me change customer. Yes, working. If I change the role, the group in admin user, set only user can edit. He can't because don't has administration. You are not allowed to modify this record. Any fields. Let me have validation day. This user can't edit because it's not manager in sale order. Now let's go to change the if the user hasn't the sales manager group, he can't edit a specific file. Don't allow it is the property defined in sale order, but we need to define non-allowed field in validation mixing and use this field in the right method. If the user don't have this group and he's try to edit that in a specific field, he can't because don't have the group allowed to edit a specific field. Is the message using string interpolation? Yeah. Okay. In this model, sorry, it's out of the string definition. Now it's okay. Validation missing, everything's okay. Now the mixing has two properties, the group and the field. Day yet. Let me check. Admin, simple user. With simple user Abigail, he can edit partner ID because he hasn't this group. And now this card, if the user has admin in sales, he can because has a specific group to edit a specific field. Is the restriction. it's working okay. Now with the mixin created, it's very simple to define, to use this mixin in, for example, account.move model. Is too simple that add this inherit in account.move model. How? But define it now, name, sorry, account.move. Is very simple. Copy, paste. In that way we add a validation only called only with validation mixin implementation. Now let me check account.move manager. Sorry, it's not here. It's security. The group is billing administration. Here, group account manager is my allowed group. We be group account manager. In this case, we use the same field, parent ID, but you can use a specific field, whatever you want. Validation mixin only with this inherit created is too simple. The mixin will do this work. Dating. Let me check. The user has accounting, simple user, invoicing. With simple user he can't modify, he can't do it. No, it's not allowed because you are not manager. Let me check the group. Administration, invoicing, and now he can do it because now he's manager. Thank you.